This recipe is my go-to breakfast for those busy mornings wherein we are rushing for office and little one for school and still want something quick and yummy before leaving home. But before heading towards the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for sure. Hey my lovelies, welcome to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. You need to take 1 cup of semolina, also known as Sooji or rava, and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then add your favorite spices. I'm adding 1/3 teaspoon each of red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala, some cumin seeds, salt and a sprinkle of chaat masala. Then add some chopped green chilies as per your taste. And now I have finely chopped some carrot and bell peppers in my manual chopper. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Then finally add handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Now add water in batches and make a smooth batter. Just be careful here. Do not add too much water at once, else your batter might become too runny, so please be mindful here. Now mix the batter properly for 2 to 3 minutes, then cover it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. In 10 minutes, semolina or Suji will be nicely soaked and the batter will become super soft. So now add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt. I am using Eno fruit salt. You can also use a combination of baking soda and baking powder. Then mix the batter in one direction for 2 minutes and the batter would be all set. Alright, now grease a pan with some oil. Then add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. This is optional. Then wait for 6-7 seconds. Then add all the batter directly into the pan. Then cover the pan for 10 minutes or until it is cooked from one side. Your flame should be at low to medium temperature here. In 10 minutes, it will be done from one side. Then flip it over to the other side. Now, I can easily flip it here itself, but if you are not confident enough or are a beginner, I'll show you an easy way to flip it. Just slide it on a plate like this and then put it back in the pan and cook it on the other side. You can do however you feel comfortable. So here is our delicious and quick recipe you can enjoy during any meal of the day. Then cut it in any shape you want and enjoy. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy from inside. You have to try it for sure. I'm cutting it in the shape of pizza slices, so I'm using a pizza slicer. You can cut it however you want and whatever shape you like. Enjoy it with any dip of your choice and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.